to my YouTube channel traders. So in today's video, I will be analyzing US30 from the monthly time frame to my entry time frame. All right. So a lot of traders don't really know how to do top-down analysis. But the way I trade, I do top-down analysis from the monthly time frame to my entry time frame. So my entry time frame is the 4-hour time frame and also the 1-hour time frame. So let's dive in. Let me show you how I do my analysis and what I am looking out on US30. All right. So let's go. So this is US30 on my monthly time frame. As we can see, we have a bullish trend on the monthly time frame. So we are heading to the upper side. So that means we are buying only. So buys only. All right. So I'm not going to be selling on this bullish movement. So as you can see, we have what? A high, low, high, low, high, low. Currently prices at this place currently now. All right. So for me, I know that buying opportunity is the only thing I will be looking at. So first, I draw my horizontal line. So I take this zone because we have a high here and a touch here. So this is a support or a resistance. So both of them, all right. So the next one, I will be picking this one. Then I'll be picking another one, which is this. And just this low. I'm just taking this low. I just want you to understand what I'm doing. That's all right. So I'm done with the monthly time frame. So I will be moving to the lower time frame, which is the weekly time frame, to see what is going on. So currently we are still on the bullish move. All right. Then on the monthly time frame, weekly time frame, I will be plotting my key level. Also, I have this high because as you can see, price is retracing. All right. Then I'm done with the weekly. So my next month time frame will be the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I draw my trend line, counter trend line, or my trend line just like that. So my 4-hour is for my entry. Okay. So let's move down to the daily time frame. Let's see what is happening. So on the daily time frame, let's zoom out a bit. So normally I do take the support and resistance on these touches, but I'm not going to do all this zone because I am going to be focusing only where price is currently at. All right. So now we have a high here that was broken. All right. We have a high here. So I'm going to clone my horizontal line, then I'll put it here. Okay. As you can see on this daily time frame, I'm going to take my trend line, then I'll put it out. So first and foremost, we have a touch on this line, and we have a touch here currently. So this might be the third one that is retracing, or it might not get to that place. All right. So let's see what the 4-hour time frame is doing. So 4-hour time frame is my entry point, but let's see what is going on the 4-hour time frame. And that's why I still use 1 hour for entries also. So on the 4-hour time frame, we have this. Okay. So currently, as you can see, in the 4-hour time frame, we have a retracement to this zone. Okay, so let's see if we use our fib where the price will be at. So if we use our fib, this zone will be, let's see, let me just turn it on. 0.38, let's see the retracement exactly 0.38 retracement fib. So now, as you can see, we are sitting currently on 0.38 on the fib retracement. So now I am going to be paying attention to this zone, okay, for a possible buy opportunity. So I am not going to be selling. Remember, I am not what selling. I will be looking for a buys only on the 4-hour time frame. So if you don't see an opportunity to execute what you're doing here, then you can also check on the 1 hour to see what is going on currently. So this is what is going on the 4-hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame. So nothing is going on there, but I will switch back to on the 4-hour time frame. And for another thing, the way I trade, I also use my counter trader to guide and to know when to go into this trade or not. All right. So I will keep you guys posted. Let's see what is going to happen. But for me, if you want to trade US30, you can also just take your time, do your analysis, then when you have the opportunity to trade. So don't forget to follow my community. So we are growing gradually. And also don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts on this particular analysis. All right. So I will see you on the next video. Peace.